Hello friends, welcome to my today's class, that is class on arithmetic progressions. So today we are learning 4 marks important problems for the exam purpose. Here we have example number 1. The third term of an AP is 7 and seventh term exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. Find the first term and the common difference and sum of first 20 terms. So what are the things you need to find out? That is first term, common difference and sum of 20 terms. Yes, 20. So let me write before going to the solution. Let the first term of an AP be A and the common difference is D. Now what is given the statement? The third term of an AP is 7, that is A3 is equal to 7. How to write A3? A plus 2D is equal to 7. This equation number 1. And what is the second statement is given? The seventh term exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. That is A7 is equal to 3 times the third term by 2. So let me simplify this statement. That is A plus 6D is equal to 3 times. That is third term is given already. Let me substitute. That is A3 is equal to 7 plus 2. A plus 6D is equal to 3 sevens are 21 plus 2. Now A plus 6D is equal to 23. Let me take this is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, let me solve by elimination method. So that is A plus 6D is equal to 23 and A plus 2D is equal to 7. Now change the symbols. So plus A minus A will get cancelled. 6D minus 2D is 4D. That is equal to 23 minus 7 is 16. Now D is equal to 16 divided by 4. That is D is equal to 4. Now we got a D value. Now we need to find out A. Now substitute in any one of the equation. I will go to equation number 1. 1 implies A plus 2D is equal to 7. Now A plus 2 into D value is 4. That is equal to 7. So A plus 2 fours are 8. That is equal to 7. So A is equal to 7 minus 8. So A becomes minus 1. So now we found the value of A also. So now we need to find out sum of first 20 terms. So therefore sum of first 20 terms is equal to question mark. So Sn formula we know, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now so S20 that is equal to 20 by 2 of 2 into a is minus 1 plus n is 20 minus 1 into d is 4. So now this is 2 ones that is 2 tens. 10 into 2 minus 1 is minus 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 4. So that is equal to 10 into minus 2 plus 19 fours are 76. Now 10 into, so 76 minus 2 is 74. Now 10 into 74 is 740. So sum of 20 terms is 740. So now we simplified the value sum of first 20 terms also. Friends, this question is from KSCEB solved Jan 2015 question paper sum. Now we will go to example number 2. So an AP consists of 3 terms whose sum is 15 and sum of their squares of extremes is 58. Find the terms of the progressions. So that is, this question is KSCEB June 2013 question paper sum. So before going to the question, what is this means and extremes? If suppose I will take A is to B and C is to D. See, this the middle terms what we have, that is B and C is called means. And this outside terms, that is A and D, is called extremes. So now we will enter into the question. So that is, let the AP consist of 3 terms. So let me write the terms. Let the 3 terms of an AP you are already familiar to write the 3 terms. So that is A minus D, A and A plus D. So then it is given sum is 15. That is sum is equal to 15. This 3 term sum is 15. So A minus D plus A plus D, that is equal to 15. Now minus D plus D will get cancelled. A plus A, that is 3A is equal to 15. Now A is equal to 15 by 3. A is equal to 5. And sum of the squares of extremes is 58. Sum of the squares of the extremes. So here we have 3 terms. I told you that the outside terms is called a extreme. So here this A minus D and A plus D are the extremes. So sum of A minus D plus A plus D, sum of squares means we have to square both the terms. Squares of extremes is 58, that is equal to 58. So let me apply A minus B whole square and A plus B whole square formula. This is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So now this is A square plus D square minus 2AD plus A square plus D square plus 2AD, that is equal to 58. Minus 2AD plus 2AD will get cancelled. So A value we already know. Let me substitute, that is 5 square plus D square. Here again A, that is 5 square plus D square, that is equal to 58. So 5 square is 25 plus D square plus 5 square again 25 plus D square, that is equal to 58. 25 plus 25 is 50 plus D square is 2D square, that is equal to 58. Now 2D square becomes 58, this minus 50. So 2D square is equal to 58 minus 50 is 8. So now D square is equal to 8 divided by 2. Now D square is equal to 4. And now D is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. And D is equal to plus or minus 2. So now we got a D value also. Now we have to find out the 3 terms what we have considered. So that terms we have to find out. So therefore the terms of AP are, so we have A value is 5 and D value is let me take plus 2. And what are the terms? A minus D, A and A plus D. That is equal to A is 5, D is plus 2, that is minus 2. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. A is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is when A is 5 and D is plus 2. If A is 5 and D is minus 2. So what are the terms? So same thing you have to write A minus D, A and A plus D. So A minus D, so that is A is 5, D is minus 2, that is minus of minus 2, it becomes 5 plus 2, that is 7. And A is 5 and D is, so here A again 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So these are the terms. Okay friends, that's all about today. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.